A bold statement is being made by Coinbase. The Bitcoin market is in a state of complete chaos. The current state of Shiba Inu pricing is indicative of a temporary plateau, but rest assured this will not last. At a time when Bitcoin is setting new records, the Shiba Inu development team has now revealed how anybody can profit from this exchange's strike alarm. There has never been anything like this, with trillions of Shiba Inus running around. But what is actually going on and why should we be excited? Please allow me to elaborate. An alarming tweet from a Shiba Inu team member named Lucy states that over 1.5 trillion Shiba Inus were deleted off exchanges in the past day. When we previously saw these kinds of withdrawals, the Shiba Inu price went through the roof. Reason being, if you're selling a lot of Shiba Inus, it usually means something big is happening. People in the neighborhood get really pumped up when they hear messages like these. The removal of tokens from exchanges is usually accompanied with the intention to retain them rather than sell them. An indication that the price might go up soon is conveyed by this statement. Because of how passionate and close-knit the Shiba Inu community is, stories like these act as a rallying cry. It gets people talking, makes them wonder what's going to happen next, and builds anticipation. When real market signals are mixed with that level of certainty, it creates an exciting environment where everything seems conceivable. But what is actually happening? There may be a double-digit price hike in the works for Shiba Inu soon, as investors are pulling a lot of them off cryptocurrency platforms. Ali Martinez, a well-known cryptocurrency chartist, pointed out yesterday that users moved almost 1.67 trillion Shiba Inu coins from exchanges to personal wallets in just one day. Taking coins off exchanges reduces the selling pressure since they are less likely to be traded soon, which is a big deal. The fact that this has happened before is something that Martinez has stressed again. Identical increases in Shiba Inu withdrawals led to a 62% price jump in the past. When fewer tokens are available for immediate sale on exchanges, supply falls and prices could rise. So if this upward trend keeps up, Shiba Inus might be getting ready for a major change. Please tell me when this is going to happen. Is there a specific time that we need to be ready? In order to address that question, we need to take a look at the bigger picture of the cryptocurrency market, which is now seeing tremendous growth. It's not hard to see why. The undisputed leader in cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, has reportedly just soared to a new record high of over $98,000. Just in the last day, it has gained over 6%, and its market valuation is creeping closer to the mouth-watering $2 trillion barrier. That surge is quite large. Once again, Bitcoin is showing that it is the market leader. Furthermore, this massive rally is not new. It is mainly caused by the influx of new capital into Bitcoin ETFs. Take BlackRock's ETF as an example. It raised an astounding $600 million in fresh capital just on Wednesday. That proves beyond a reasonable doubt that Bitcoin's potential is attracting the attention of institutional investors. The issue takes an even more peculiar turn at this point. There is an 81% chance that Bitcoin will hit $100,000 in November, according to the famous betting website Market. Think about it for a second, 81%. A large number of people who wager real money basically believe that to be true, and it is also a prediction. I'm ecstatic that the market pressures have finally caught up with us. Odds like these are unusual in the betting industry unless momentum is really strong. The level of confidence that people today have in Bitcoin is so high that it's absurd. Bitcoin has already experienced a 40% surge in value just 20 days into November. This massive run has everyone's attention. But Bitcoin's ascent has been so spectacular that the rest of the cryptocurrency industry has failed to keep pace. As an example, the Shiba Inu has not been part of the same upward trend. This has perplexed a lot of people. One Twitter user put it well, Bitcoin is almost over $97,000 and no one is making any moves. Until now, I have never seen a bull market like this one. You should not be surprised to hear inquiries like these because the excitement usually extends to other coins. The rise of Bitcoin, according to many, will increase market confidence, which will set off a chain reaction. Like a ripple effect, the biggest player's performance usually boosts everything around it. This clarifies the seeming contradiction between Bitcoin's ascent and the relative stability of the leading altcoins. Since it contradicts our long-established norms in the Bitcoin industry, this bull market is both shocking and puzzling. You should be aware of the following, though. Bitcoin is typically the market leader in a bull market. As one user pointed out, the market goes silent whenever Bitcoin's price goes up since all the money and attention goes to Bitcoin. This is because many people sell their altcoins when they see Bitcoin's price going up, hoping to cash in on Bitcoin's popularity. Everything seems to be drawn to the meteoric rise of Bitcoin. Bitcoin has become the preferred cryptocurrency even among the major investors, especially when market conditions are intense. Many believe it to be the more secure choice. The Shiba Inu team's Lucy has also made it clear that this is only a part of the cryptocurrency cycle. As Bitcoin begins to decline after reaching its peak, altcoins often come into their own. Their health improves as resources are reinvested and attention is redirected. So while it might seem strange now, this pattern has happened many times before. Altcoins are following Bitcoin in terms of popularity. The cryptocurrency market simply has its own natural cadence, and before we see any major changes with Shiba Inu or any other altcoins, there's something important to keep in mind. A genuine alt season cannot begin unless Bitcoin's supremacy is reversed, claims one Twitter user. Please be patient and continue to monitor the chart as it is now going parabolic. They are also right. Altcoins won't be able to take off until Bitcoin's dominance, a key indicator of the market concentration of cryptocurrency, stabilizes. Another great thing they said was that even if you don't have Bitcoin, it's still a good idea to sit back and enjoy the surge. The early altcoin bubble, they made clear, would not last and would possibly hurt the market. The process is analogous to building upon previously laid foundations. Starting to pump altcoins too soon could lead to a quick fall instead of long-term gain. In addition, this perspective is highly reasonable. Bitcoin sets the setting for the rest of the market, and its dominance determines when the next stage can begin. If Bitcoin is allowed to lead, the market as a whole will be strengthened. Also, when altcoins do finally surge in value, they'll have more room to grow. Patience is a strategy as well as a virtue in this situation. Going back to the huge flight of Shiba Inus from the markets and the possibility of a sharp increase in Shiba Inu prices, it's important to grasp a few points. Shiba Inus, according to Ali Martinez, have a very high resistance level. A lot of people are planning to sell their Shiba Inus that they bought at this price, so it has been a bit of a stumbling block. Overcoming this resistance, though, might set the stage for a price rise to even greater heights for Shiba Inus. On Shiba Inu's chart, Martin has also noticed an interesting pattern called a bull flag. This pattern usually appears after a big rally and a consolidation period. It suggests the asset might be getting ready for another big increase. The price of Shiba Inu could go up much more if the bull flag can break over that hurdle. There is a great Depending on the outcome, the price might skyrocket. Experts are predicting a 50% increase if this happens. There is hope, but it all hinges on Shiba Inus conquering this formidable challenge, and it could happen a lot faster than expected. Significantly, Coinbase has surpassed all other apps in the financial area of the US iOS app stores to become the top app overall. One reason Coinbase was so popular before was because Shiba Inu was generating so much trade volume. Even Coinbase's app name, which includes the Shiba Inu, was a nod to the coin's popularity at the time. In addition, the recent success of Coinbase suggests that Shiba Inus may be making a comeback in the spotlight. It is highly probable that Shiba Inu's visibility and trading activity will soon increase dramatically due to Coinbase's immense popularity. It may be the perfect time for Shiba Inu puppies to reach their full potential, just like in the past. The timing is everything, and Shiba Inu might be ready to ride the wave again. This time with Coinbase leading the way. That being said, what are your thoughts on this? In the space provided, please share your thoughts. If you want to know more, just click on one of the videos that are shown on the screen. The video has thus come to an end. If you enjoyed the video, please enable the channel's notifications bell. Do not risk financial loss by failing to keep up with important Shiba Inu updates. In addition, we kindly request that you share this video with as many individuals as possible. We should let others know about this.